Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be the first video of the Vertical Diary series, which is me showing you how I was doing content before calling myself a content creator. So the first project is this old school vintage medicine cabinet in our bathroom. Totally didn't like the look of it. Very functional but not cute at all. You can see the inside of it makes me feel like this belongs in a hospital wing somewhere. But we're going to, revamp this entire look. First, you see me spraying this with Awesome. I don't know about you, but a bottle of Awesome from Dollar Tree for like $2 could clean anything. And I had several bottles. I don't know if y'all still shopping and buying Awesome, but if you haven't tried, I suggest you do so because maybe with inflation now it's a little bit higher than $2, but Awesome don't miss, y'all. It does not miss. Also, because I bought this house, it was sold as is. I knew it was a fixer-upper. I can't remember if I had even cleaned in here before. I'm sure I had, but of course I wanted to give it a good clean because I do plan on painting this. So with using spray paint, what I've learned is you can spray paint just about anything, but the key is all of the prep work that you put into whatever you're going to paint before you get to the painting step. So for me, that was giving it a good scrub with the Awesome. And now you see me scuff sanding this. This sander I got from Walmart. I'm sure it wasn't expensive. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I also have a Walmart storefront. So if you're ever looking to shop for some of your favorites, or if you want to see what my Walmart favorites are, definitely check out my storefront. So you will see the reflection of the ring light in this video, but this whole content before creator is me showing you guys how, yes, even though I bought a ring light, I still didn't know what I was doing. Like, the angles are terrible. Some angles, like some footage, you don't even really see me in it, or you can't see what I'm trying to show you or what I thought I was recording. And that just goes to show that sometimes you just gotta jump out there, y'all. Yes, everybody apparently, or you may feel like people make a lot of money doing content, but for me, I really just enjoy doing DIY stuff. So I figured, hey, let me just record it. Like you can see, it's showing rainbow colors right now. Obviously, that's not what you would do if you were recording something, but for all of these projects, like I said, when I launched this series, that I either had a kid or maybe even two with me, typically whenever I'm doing something. So I'm sure Amari was probably near me and he liked the rainbow colors. So, I was trying to entertain my baby while I do these projects. And I think that also adds to just do it. Like, there's not going to be a perfect time to do these types of things. Just jump out and do whatever it is. Maybe your goal isn't to do content creating. Maybe there's something that you are wanting to do, but you're trying to figure out, okay, maybe is the time not right, or maybe I don't have the right equipment or resources or the skills. Maybe just do it. Just do the thing and then make it good later. Like, that's my motto. I feel like it's working for me. I'm not necessarily where I want to be, but yeah, that is the whole purpose of this series. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and continue to watch. I got so much stuff planned to share with you guys.
Come pick me up, drag me from the shadows, babe. Give me your love, you'll be my escape. Come turn me on, key inside the engine, babe. Lead the way, it's okay. Front seat calling.
Also, I've been seeing certain social media posts about de-influencing people, like if they post a picture of their house being messy. And I think that's a little bit of my goal with this series as well. Of course, there's the DIY creators that have fancy tools, huge budgets, husbands that know woodworking, or even they might know woodworking, or somehow they have like these super interior designer skills. And I'm definitely not saying that there's anything wrong with any of that, because hey, shout out to y'all. But this series is showing how most of the things that I've done in our home have been with tools straight from Walmart and not the highest grades of paint, hence the spray paint and the Awesome. But whether it's your home or even a family member that you feel like you want to give a refresh, check out my channel for some motivation, because baby, there's no warranty with my work. And if the people living in it are satisfied, then that's good enough with me.